Hey everybody, on this video we have a Honda motorcycle gas cap here. It came off of a Honda Shadow, got it from a junkyard. And we're going to be using the HD74 Lishi to pick and decode it. These are single-sided locks here, so we'll just be having to pick it one direction. So make sure we got it all the way in here. This is one of those things here, this would actually be easier to do with the cap actually on a motorcycle probably, but instead of in my hand here in front of a camera, we're going to see if we can do it anyway. So we're going to put tension on it like any Lishi, and we're going to just go through and just look for something binding. So just start at 1, and it is binding. A little bit of a click, it's still binding. Another click, a little bit of rotation actually. Nothing on 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 is binding. Click on 5. The 1 here, 1's binding again. Click on 1. Okay, little tiny click on 2. Okay, 4 is binding a little bit. Click on 4. Another click on 5. Click on 1. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5 again, and we are actually open now. And this won't spring back on its own, so don't have to worry about that at least. So now that it's picked, though, we can actually read it. Turn the make sure it's turned here. Okay, and this is going to just read the same way that it picked here. So starting on number 1, we actually have a 1. 2 is going to be a 1 as well. And we never picked 3s. That's going to indicate that it is actually going to be a 3. 4 is going to be a 1. And 5 is a 2. So 1, 1, 3, 1, 2. And I've already actually cut a key for it. We reset the lock here. Just got to press the black piece down here. It'll spring back to the home position. Let us put a key in. See, the key does actually work. And there's our fitting on the key here, as you can see. 11312. And of course, these do have a code on them as well. The code on this one is actually kind of hard to see here, but it's actually right here. And the code's actually A86. If you run that, it does give you the same bidding, so we know the Lishi is accurate. Also, since we cut the key, we know the key works. It also tells us that it's accurate. So there's also an HD75, which is just the reverse of this keyway, and it works the same here. I just have not ran across a lock yet that I can do a video for that one, but that's all I got on this one. Questions or comments, of course, I'll put them in the comments. Trying to answer pretty much everything. And I guess until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.